Hi friends, this is Tejas again, and this time we will be reviewing the boAt Stone 260. The last review was boAt 1000, so that was a used speaker, and I won't say that was portable, but this one is ultra portable. So if you want to extend your laptop sound, so I think this is a good buy. If you need a sound in your bedroom, I say this is a good buy. So let's see what are the specifications. So it's a 4 watt speaker with extra powerful bass, but you can see the size and expect the bass from it. So it's the IPX5 rated water resistance, it's shock proof, and you have the microphone embedded over here, so that's a good option. And it has the 1000 mAh battery backup, which would last for about 5 hours. So let's just quickly unbox this speaker and let's see what's inside the box. So we get a speaker, and we get a ring to hook it up to your bag, or maybe to your wall mount, you can say. So that's nice. It's heavy, it's not that light, it's heavy, and you have the boAt branding over here. Let's see what else do we have in the box. And we get the welcome kit, you can say. And I see that this one is the branding again. So that's all, and this is the cable to charge the speaker. So we'll keep these things aside, and we'll focus on the small little speaker, which Stone 260. So the build quality is nice, and I would say this is the rubbery finish. So they said that it's water resistance and shock proof, so I definitely see that it is. And here is an opening. So we have an opening over here to charge the speaker, and again this is a rubbery finish, so that's nice. And over here I see there are the buttons, maybe to pair, play and forward. I'm just looking for the aux output over here, but I don't see the aux output. So let's see how do we power on the speaker and if it is charged. I think this is the button.
Power on.
Okay.
You're plugged into Nirvana.
Okay, so I feel that this is the indicator. So the speaker is in the pairing mode now. Let me just quickly pair my phone, and we can listen to some test songs. So guys, I have paired my phone, and so let's listen to the some sample music. So let's try something with the bass now.
niggas stay what ya? Burn up. Flip a page, I'll explode it. Got a cabin in Manolo.
Last song. So guys, that was all from the speaker testing side. Now my frank opinion about the speaker is this is a good speaker in the price range of 999, and the rating I would give is 3.5 out of 5. So talking about the bass was good. The upper bass was not that great. The vocals were clear, the treble was nice, and if you really want a compact size sound system in your bedroom, this is the one. The aux port is missing out here, and when we played some songs with the higher bass, the speaker was wobbling. So please make a note of that as well, because it might cause damage to the speaker. So that's all from my end for the boAt Bluetooth speaker 260, and please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video. So guys, thank you again for watching this video, and you have a great day. Bye bye.